This is a little dresser that's in my craft room. This dresser was in my granddad's room when we took care of his estate. This looks like it could be a changing table, except there's nothing holding the baby securely. So he had his TV on the top, and he had shirts in the drawers and things like that. Sometimes I put this little rug here for my cat to lay on. It's cute, it's pink, it's fluffy. And it's just a little spot for him to lay next to me, because lots of times he ends up on my desk, so I have to give him a space near me. But I love this dresser. It's perfect in my craft room. Let me walk you through all the things that I love about it. It holds my Cricut. Yes, my friends, it does. This is a little cover I use. If I take that off, there's my Cricut ready for action. So it fits perfectly here. I don't have to move it when I'm using it because of Bluetooth. I simply open it up and I am able to make whatever I'm working on. And it has this little space for tools. As you know, in the Cricut, most of the Cricut machines nowadays have all these little storage spots. So I just keep everything here that I need for tools. And then we have two large drawers here. This dresser is solid wood, so it's very sturdy. In here I have some things for my planner. I have Selphy photo paper, and I have the Selphy tray here and the Selphy. I was keeping it out, but in another video I'll show you guys why I don't keep it out anymore. It's a problem. And I just have, plugs and wires and an extra keyboard here. All that little like office kind of stuff that we need at hand. It just goes in here, pencils, things like that, washi tape, again, stuff for my planner. And then we have the second drawer, which holds all my Cricut heat press things. So we have the Cricut heat press here. It's the big one. I love it so much. And then there's a little tray there underneath. And I just take this out and I use it right on top of this dresser. I have the heat mat that I just put on top of the dresser with the Cricut Easypress. And then under here I also have all sorts of vinyl, infusible ink, many colors. I put the ink back in these boxes. And then I have some infusible ink markers, and I just try to keep it all stored together here. As you can see, you can fit a lot in a dresser drawer. Use a dresser, use a baby changing table, whatever you can find to put into your craft room. I highly recommend it. I love this. This has been here for a few years now. And it's been very handy with the storage and the two surfaces. One surface for my Cricut and the other surface at the top to work on. It's been super handy. I absolutely love it. So this dresser measures about 34, just a touch. The work surface there is just a touch over 34, close to 35 inches at the top. So I'm 5'3", so it's perfect. It's just above, I think it's like right at my waist. So it's a great standing surface. It's just perfect. From sitting at my desk, I can come over here and stand for a little while and have a nice work surface. I absolutely love it.